arrive in style with this Ram 2019 1500 Bighorn Lone Star. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: quick order package 24Z Bighorn Lone Star, disc, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, air conditioning, power steering, power windows and rear 60/40 folding seat. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.